G'day mates! Today on I Love Learning with ET YouTube channel, we are diving into Chapter 2 of the CBSE NCERT textbook on geography, forests, and wildlife. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of forests and the incredible wildlife that call them home. From lush green canopies to majestic creatures, we'll uncover the wonders of our natural world. So, grab a cuppa and let's embark on this wild adventure together.
Từng kỳ phố vắng cô phiêu thuần lợm bố siêu giống cô cứ nhu phố lúng tên đừng ghi vầm thềm bố siêu cưng cô từng kỳ phố vắng cô phiêu thuần lợm bố siêu giống cô cứ nhu phố lúng tên đừng ghi vầm berlagu di bamshu longjung aplap sedam guropan shu ungkyung berlagu di bamshu longjung aplap sedam guropan shu muronan titong shu longjung riak rak shu samlung menyin kesungku titon shu muronan titong shu longjung riak rak shu kesot telik kepego ajoma tendong lumpur bosyo tekesot telik kepego ajoma tendong lumpur bosyo. Berlagu di kolshu lop ikzuban gubam shu bunzo berlagu di kolshu lop ikzuban gubam shu senyi suna tidak menyin longjung segor gengut hornon shu senyi suna tidak menyin longjung segor gengut hornon shu geng pertam seke kepego ago sembenan di globo shu geng pertam seke kepego ago sembenan di globo shu
G'day mates! Biodiversity, or biological diversity, is like a grand symphony of life in the Aussie outback. From kangaroos to koalas, and eucalyptus trees to coral reefs, it's a diverse cast of characters all playing their part in the ecosystem. Each species, big or small, has a role to keep the show running smoothly. So, let's cherish and protect this unique blend of wildlife and cultivated species, for they are the heart and soul of our beautiful land down under. G'day mates! From tiny microbes to majestic blue whales, we are all part of this incredible biodiversity on our planet. We humans are just a piece of the puzzle, relying on plants, animals, and microorganisms for our very existence. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all come from this intricate ecological web. Remember, forests are the lifeline of this system, providing for us all. Let's cherish and protect this beautiful planet we call home. Living in India, I am surrounded by a treasure trove of unique flora and fauna. India boasts incredible biological diversity, with countless species yet to be discovered. The forests and wildlife here are vital to our daily lives, yet we often overlook their importance. Sadly, these precious resources are facing immense pressure due to our environmental negligence. It's time we appreciate and protect the rich tapestry of life that surrounds us before it's too late.
Preserving our forests and wildlife is crucial for our survival. By conserving these precious ecosystems, we protect our water, air, and soil, the very foundation of life. Not only that, but it also safeguards the genetic diversity of plants and animals, ensuring their healthy growth and breeding. Think about it, even in agriculture and fisheries, we rely on this diversity for our food security. Let's join hands to protect and cherish our forests and wildlife for a sustainable future.
Back in the 1960s and 1970s, conservationists were on a mission. They demanded a national wildlife protection program in India. And that's how the Indian Wildlife Protection Act came to be. It was a game changer, aiming to safeguard our precious wildlife from threats. Thanks to their efforts, we are able to enjoy the beauty of nature today. Let's continue to protect and cherish our wildlife for generations to come.
I've delved into the world of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, where the central and state governments have taken significant steps to protect our precious wildlife. Projects have been launched to safeguard endangered species like tigers, one-horned rhinoceroses, Kashmir stags, crocodiles, Asiatic lions, and more. Recently, legal protections have been extended to Indian elephants, black bucks, great Indian bustards, snow leopards, and others, ensuring their safety from hunting and trade across India. It's heartening to see these efforts to preserve our diverse wildlife for future generations.
Project Tiger, launched in 1973, is a roaring success in tiger conservation. It's not just about saving a species, it's about preserving vast ecosystems. From Corbett to Sundarbans, Bandhavgarh to Periyar, these tiger reserves in India are vital sanctuaries. Let's protect these majestic creatures in the habitats they call home. Join the movement, be a part of the change. Together, we can ensure a future where tigers continue to roam free.
Conservation efforts are evolving, focusing on biodiversity as a whole. From butterflies to plants, every species plays a vital role. Insects are now integral to conservation planning, with hundreds of species protected under the Wildlife Act. This shift signifies a more comprehensive approach to preserving our ecosystems. Let's embrace the diversity of life around us and work together to protect our planet for future generations.
Managing forest and wildlife resources is no walk in the park, mate. In India, the government takes the reins, overseeing these precious assets through the Forest Department. But with vast areas to cover, conservation becomes a real challenge. Balancing protection and sustainable use is key to safeguarding our natural treasures. It's a delicate dance between preservation and progress, ensuring future generations can marvel at the wonders of our forests and wildlife.
G'day, mates. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of forest classification. Picture this: reserved forests, the creme de la creme of forest conservation, making up over half of our precious forest land. Then we have protected forests, like the guardians of our green spaces, covering almost a third of the total area, shielded from harm. And let's not forget about the unclassed forests, the wild cards of the bunch, a mix of government and private lands waiting to be explored. So, next time you wander through the woods, remember, each forest has its own story to tell.
Did you know that reserved and protected forests play a crucial role in maintaining our ecosystem? Madhya Pradesh leads the way with 75% of its forests designated as permanent forest estates. States like Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, and more have significant areas under reserved forests, while others like Bihar and Rajasthan focus on protected forests. The northeastern states and parts of Gujarat have a unique approach with unclassed forests managed by local communities. Protecting our forests is vital for our future generations and biodiversity. Let's cherish and preserve these natural treasures together.
Good day, mates. The Chipko movement in the Himalayas. A true legend. Not only did it stop deforestation, but it also proved that planting native trees can work wonders. The power of community and nature combined. Absolutely epic. Let's keep those trees standing tall, folks.
Reviving traditional conservation methods and exploring new ecological farming techniques is gaining momentum. Groups like Bij Bachao Andolan and Navdanya are proving that diverse crop production without synthetic chemicals is both feasible and profitable. It's time to embrace sustainable farming practices for a healthier planet and a more resilient future. Let's join hands in nurturing our land and preserving our biodiversity.
Did you know that in India, the Joint Forest Management Program is empowering local communities to restore degraded forests? Since 1988, villages in Odisha have been leading the way in protecting and managing forest lands. By working together with the Forest Department, these communities not only safeguard the environment, but also benefit from non-timber forest products and a share of the timber harvest. It's a win-win for both nature and the people. Let's keep nurturing our forests for a sustainable future. It's clear that for sustainable development, activities must be people-centric, eco-friendly, and economically rewarding. Let's ensure that decision-making puts communities at the forefront. Together, we can create a future where our environment thrives, our people prosper, and our actions make a positive impact.